Greetings parents. Welcome to mermaidhalloweencostume.net. Halloween 2010 is just around the corner, and even though I do not know you, I am sure that your little one is invited to a Halloween party, and you are keen on finding a real cool costume. The first thing I would do is suggest is a mermaid costume, because I know there is such a variety and they are pretty cool. Mermaids are the legendary creatures of the deep blue seas, and have been made famous by movies like The Little Mermaid and fairy tales. Every little girl loves to dress up like a mermaid, and grown-up girls love to go to parties dressed as a sexy mermaid. Get sexy mermaid costumes for Halloween 2010 or any other occasion from buycostumes.com and amazon.com, who have mermaid costumes for infants, toddlers, teens, grown-up girls, plus-size women, Barbie Mermiad, Barbie Fairytopia, licensed Disney costumes, wigs and costume accessories. To browse what is available in mermaid costumes, please visit mermaidhalloweencostume.net. Noel.